Okay, so here we are. We're inside the car. We're gonna start it up. And you see the stereo comes on. It's got the tilt. Put your CD in. But we don't have a CD. Actually, we do have a CD. But CDs are boring, so I'd rather listen to the radio. Tuffy console, yeah, it's a mess. I got trailer hookups and stuff here for different. But here's the iPod hookup. Got a little lid here. Stereo's pretty freaking loud.
And now, because your pathetic life is confined to countless hours in front of a talking box, time again, the Men's Room presents TV Time with Steve Rock. Wow.
So that's enough of that. Now we'll go out and look at the engine. You can see that the e-brake works. I live on a hill. Can't really see it, but it's pretty steep, and I have lost cruisers down it before. Here's the engine. It's just idling. Sounds really good. I've never done a tune-up on it, just because I guess I've just never gotten around to it. But I do change the oil every 3,000 miles. It's due for an oil change in about 2,000 miles. I just changed it. And here's the exhaust. You can see there's no black stuff coming out. It's in really good shape. And here's a messy interior again. If you want pictures of the clean interior, I can send them to you. It'll be clean when you get it. Here's the amp. And here's the seat that's falling apart. It's got duct tape and stuff on it, but I have another seat I can give you. It's an Alpine amp. It's pretty dusty under here.
Wow. Did you just hang up? You gotta be kidding me. No. He just called back and he goes, hey, it's me, I wanted to talk to the Jewish guy. All right, Joel.
That's it.
Then he hung up.
Kill it. Pull it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's got a locker in the rear. It's got the FJ60 sway bar. It's got again a 2.5-inch lift. It's got the Tuffy console, the H4 headlight upgrade, the trailer hitch. What else has it got? It's got the Spectre covers. It's got the $1,200 stereo system. It's got the 5-speed H55F, which let's take a look at. Here we go. It's right underneath this cover. Let's see if we can get under there. And there's underneath the engine. It's not too much cake under here. I'm sure whenever they put the H55F in that they replace the rear main seal. And it's got a good muffler, good spare tire, good shocks. It really rides nice. So that's it for the motor part of it. If you want to see the interior and the exterior, you can look at the other video I have up. And you can see how the sliders are bolted in. And that's it, guys. Thanks.